Ar ôl sicrhau pencampwriaeth y brif adran y penwythnos dwytha, roedd Caerdydd yn gwneud y daith fer i gampws Cyncoed Bnawn Sul, ac i'r adar gleision daro'r postyn a'r bar o fewn yr un symudiad di-sgôr oedd hi ar yr egwyl. Ond dim ond 2 funud wedi'r ail ddechrau roedd y pencampwyr ar y blaen. Eliza Colley yn dangos ei chyflymder i lawr y dde, ei chroesiad yn darganfod Daniel Green ac ergyd Rhian Oakley yn cael ei harbed yn wych. Ond Colley yn y fan a'r lle i rwydo i'r ymwelwyr. Ac fe gafodd Eliza Colley ei hail o'r pnawn wedi Steph Turner fethu a delio gyda ffas hir Ffion Price, a Colley'n gyrru ergyd isel gywir i gornel bella'r rhwyd. Ei 10fed gôl gyngrair y tymor yma.
Buzzing to score, to be honest. Ian and Scott put a lot of faith in me to start over the past few games, and I think I've come in and I've done quite well. Even though we've won the league, we're still trying to play, still trying to go unbeaten, and I think we've done that. The 19s came up today as well, and they played very, very well, so credit to everyone.
We played a few players in different positions and we experimented a little bit, and I thought we absolutely dominated the game from minute 1 all the way through. Especially proud to get 4 of our under-19 players on, 3 debuts. It was a good day all around.